Hell yeah.
Nice.
That'll lift up and the bilge pump will suck the water out.
Sweet. When this thing goes up, the bilge pump will ignite. I mean, trigger it to activate. That's the word I'm looking for. Yeah, like it down there. The bilge pump is so that we don't sink. So that float switch, that thing, that right there, that switch, when the water pushes that up, the bilge pump, which is that, it pumps water outside, is automatically going to turn on. And Ryan has wired it so that when it's on manual, that means that the bilge pump turns on. When it's on auto, then it runs by that float switch. Thanks, Ryan.